How do you put a video in a slow motion on the iPhone? Let me explain it all, but if this is your first time on this channel, do not hesitate and subscribe because you don't want to miss tutorials like this in the future. So the video process or slowing down a video heavily depends on the recording and in which FPS you recorded the video, right? So whenever you open up the camera and go to the video mode, you can see that the FPS settings are there. So by default, it's likely going to be set at 30, but you can make it go 60 or even to 24. But also when you switch to the slow motion mode, the FPS is 120 or 240. And this is where the difference is, because the regular video, the watchable content is likely at a 24 or 30. So if you want to slow it down, it's ideal that the video was captured at higher frame rate. Even if it was captured at 60 FPS, you'll still have the ability to open up some video editor like CapCut where you can slow down the video, like adjust the speed to 50%. So you dial it down from 60 FPS to 30. The video is going to be watchable, but it's going to be slightly slowed down, right? So that's kind of how you can do this. Of course, if you capture the video at 120 FPS, you can slow it down even more, and even more than that with 240, obviously. The only issue is, what do you do if you just want to slow down a clip which was shot at 24 FPS? Well, or 30, right? In that case, you can also use the CapCut video editor, which has a feature built in, which is called optical flow. This is applied inside of the export setting, so you can turn it on. It's likely part of the premium features, but it basically just lets you still slow down the 30 FPS clip by 50%. So it's going to be like 15 FPS, which is going to be choppy and non-watchable, but the optical flow artificially creates the frames in between and still gives you a smooth enough experience, even though it's not perfect, but it can get the job done based on the footage. It might be a useful addition to your clips. So these are all of the ways how you can put a regular video in a slow motion. So I really hope that I can explain it well to you. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.